Okay, hustlers, Horace here with another episode of Jump On It, where we focus on trying to help newbies find products that they can sell on Amazon using the arbitrage business model. And as you can see, I'm actually at Ollie's. It's a little bit different because normally I'm at work when I do it, but I'm on vacation this week, but I didn't forget about you. So we're gonna do things a little bit different. Now I'm gonna have your leads, but what I wanted to do was take a little bit of time and show you a few of the things that I got today, and then we're gonna take a look and evaluate these. So you're looking at some, I guess you could call them K-Cups from Hostess, this variety pack, and you can see the price on that. So we got a few of those, and then we also have, we'll look at this one. One thing you gotta understand, hustlers, this is a Copper Moon Costa Rica 40 cups, and the price on that is $7.99. So you got to understand, coffee sells. Americans love it. I happen to love it myself. So this is just an example of what you can sell, because people always ask, what types of products do I sell? If you're gated in grocery and gourmet, don't worry about it. Just file this information because you can use it later, and eventually you will be ungated. So when we get back to the shop, before I give you your leads, we'll kind of evaluate these products. So we'll see you back there. Okay, hustlers, we're back from doing a little sourcing. You saw me at Ollie's, and now we're going to talk about two of the products that I brought back. So, number one, while I was out, I was actually scanning those products using the Amazon Seller app. When you have an account, I think you need a pro account, but when you have an account, you can download the Seller app from the App Store. That way you can scan the barcode, get all of the information that you need while you're in the store. That's how I made the decision to buy these products. So remember, we've got the Hostess Variety Pack. It's a 30 cup K-Cup deal, and you can see we paid what do we pay for that? $9.99 for that. And then we're also going to look at the Costa Rican from Copper Moon. That's a 40 K-Cup deal. We're going to look at both of those. Remember that this one, if you had this product, you would have to polybag this because it's perforated around there where it can be punched out, and Amazon will require you to polybag that. The Hostess is not. That's all just sealed. There's nothing you can punch out, so you'd be okay with that. Just a side note. Now watch the evaluation process. This is what it's all about, guys. Let me throw on the glasses and teach the masses. All right. So the first thing we're going to look at is that Copper Moon. Okay. Once you make sure that you have the right flavor, the right count and everything like that. Okay, so it's selling for $19.98. Now we're going to come over. This is a tool that you can have used right online. It's the revenue calculator. Now watch what happens here. This is the product that we're looking at. Okay, $19.98 cost me about 50 cents to get it in using Amazon's UPS account, and I paid $7.99. You calculate that, and you're going to make about $3. Now remember, this column you would only use if you're going to be doing the fulfilling, shipping yourself. We're using FBA, so this is the column that you're going to use. Now this may not sound like a lot, guys, but people look at the type of revenue that I make. They look at the kind of profit I make, and they wonder, what kind of products are you buying? This is it. Now if you're gated in grocery and gourmet, don't worry about it. We'll either work to get you ungated, or eventually you will get ungated. So you just use this as an example. You could have went into Ollie's and you could have walked out with some toys. I just didn't feel like going through the toys, whatever it may be. It's the evaluation process that we're focused on right now. So think about it, guys. If you stuck $8 into a machine and it spit out your $8 plus another $3, basically, that's not a bad deal. Okay, you do that and look at the large scale, look at your entire budget for the month. It doesn't really matter how you break it down. If you're getting those types of returns, you're doing pretty good. Okay. So then we had, let me go back and look at something else, because what you want to look at, there's not just one person selling this product. So I'm going to come down and here, I'll tell you what, let me put, give me a second. Let me put my highlighter on. That way you guys can see my cursor better to follow me. Okay. Now here I come down. You got 21 people selling this. You're not competing with all 21. You're only competing with the prime. Of course, that would be new. But here's what you're looking at. You're looking at how many units does the competition even have in stock, okay? Now, how many are being sold in a month? Let me open this up just a bit because I want to show you something. If you have the software Tactical Arbitrage, then you're going to have this little hummingbird. You click that and you can kind of get an idea of the estimated monthly sales. If you've got 72 sales going on with that product, okay, and then you're looking, like I said, we had it filtered, and you're saying this guy has 12, this guy has 1, this guy has 24. You know, you could very well get into the $20.14. You know, you could play around with that. Watch what happens. And you could actually end up making a little bit more money. Okay, those are things that you're going to think about as you're making your decision. You know, heck, you might even go up to $22. Okay, you might. It just depends on the type of seller you are. But these have expiration dates, so depending on how much time you have to deal with it, you may want to wait or you may want to move that product quicker. Now, watch this. Now we come over to the Hostess Variety Pack. Same thing. If we just went right off the top, $21.74, because this is what they call the buy box you hear people talking about all the time. So if you went with the buy box, and again, we're using this column, cost me about 50 cents to get in, cost me $9.99. So again, if you stick $10 into a machine and it gives you back that 10 plus about $2.50, that's not bad. And again, use your app or however you're going to estimate. Look at the estimated monthly sales on this. Guys, this product is going to sell, number one. Number two, when you start looking at the other people that are selling and you're only interested in prime and new, and you start looking at the stock, okay? 4, 1, 1, 1, 5, 14. I mean, if you wanted to hold out, because sometimes these things can be hard to get. It just depends. You might go up to $22.95, you know? And if you did, then you could make a little bit more. You know what I mean? It just depends on the type of seller you are. Now, enough of that. I just wanted to share a little bit with you about how I go out and do retail arbitrage. You're going to find better deals than that sometimes, but at the end of the day, if you're doing this business, you take your budget, you spend it, you're trying to get a certain return on investment back so that you get that budget that you put out, you get that back plus the profit. It's going to be divided up, but if you can consistently do 20%, 30%, 40%, whatever it is that you have determined is what you want, you know, I'm okay with 20%, but I'm a working class hustler. I got a full-time job as well, so I don't just depend on this. Okay. Now we're going to get to the jump on it section. We're going to just bear with me here, and what we're going to do, we're going to actually look at some products that I want to share with you. And of course, they are coming from Tactical Arbitrage, of course. But I just want to make sure Let's see, spark light. All right. Now watch this. Here's what you got to pay attention to. Okay, we're inside of Tactical Arbitrage right now. Now, look at in this column. This column is showing your gross profit. We're going to look at this product and this product. So just looking through. Now, these numbers may change because I did this search last night. Prices change all the time. But you're talking about a 62% return on investment. You're talking about a $9 profit. 53% return on investment, $8.82 profit. And you're not talking about putting out a lot of money either. This is adjusted for my taxes. So we're just going to look $14.99, $12.99. You're not putting out a lot of profit. If you're going to put $13 into a machine and it gives you back your $13 plus $9, you're not doing very, very bad at all. Okay. These deals you can jump on. We're going to have the links down in the description. And yes, they are not gated. Don't get worked up because you see the word Nintendo. We already checked it. You're good to go. But now let me just show you how I use this software all the time to find deals for you. Now watch what happens, because through the software you can go right to the source site, and we're looking, it should be around $12, $13, and it should be, they're both at GameStop. That way you can get your free shipping because you're going to buy enough to get free shipping. Okay, that's the product on Amazon. Now you see 13 in big letters, and right away you're like, oh wait, no, wait a minute. Look at what the shipping is on that. $10.84 shipping on that. Okay, go in and look at, you got two people selling. One person has 47 units, one person has 23 units. Okay, nobody is FBA. Now I don't know who this Amazon Global Store UK. See, that's something that's going on abroad. So I don't even consider this guy really competition anyway. I don't know what that is. Amazon Global Store UK. I don't know what that is. Let's look at that for a second, as long as we're out here. So it is Amazon. The parent. Wait. Amazon Global Store EU. Yeah, I guess it is Amazon. But regardless of that, what you're looking at is, watch from here. We're going to go out to GameStop and look at, it takes a minute for GameStop to load for whatever reason, but you're looking at the price that it matches what you saw in Tactical Arbitrage. Then you're looking to see, can you pick it up at your local store, or will they ship? And yes, they will ship. And like I said, we'll have the links to the store. We'll have the links to the listing on Amazon. Boom. If you were using your Hummingbird app, you could see your estimated monthly sales. And I can tell you right now, if you come down and you look at the rank on that estimate isn't correct. They're selling more than that, I guarantee you, at that rank. And if you want to know what the average, okay, let's see here. I may not have so your average 90-day rank is 27,575. Look at any software that'll tell you, and number one, you're in a low percentile, so it's a popular product. You've got 90 days worth of an average that tells you this product is selling. Okay, they will ship it. So now we'll move on to the next product. Again, at GameStop. Again, good 90-day sales rank. Again, good profit, good return on investment, not much output, even at adjusted. Okay, current buy box. Let's take a look at it. Okay, first we'll go on Amazon. Now, you got, let's see here. Taking a minute for that to load. So while that's doing that, we'll also look at the product at GameStop. There it is. It will ship. We're on the new tab, not pre-owned. Okay, you're good to go. All right. Now, we were looking at the product on Amazon, and again, what I wanted to do was open that up. There it is. I wanted to filter, prime, new. Look at, there's your price. So, and then look at, if you used your Hummingbird app, there's your estimated sales, which is wrong because I know they're moving more than that. Okay, look at the stock on that. 1, 1, 10, 3. So we will put the links in the description. Guys, if you want to learn how to use this software, remember, I'm always giving free leads and I use this software to do it. And that's another reason why you want to subscribe to the channel. And make sure you hit the bell notification so that you don't miss these videos. You really want to be with us when we go live, because that's where we just spend hours with the working class hustlers of America, just working together and getting those ungated leads. Okay, and we're still putting out 4 videos a week. So what you want to do to learn the software, Tactical Arbitrage, all the links are down in the description. Take the lightning course before you do anything. After you take the lightning course, you'll know how to use the software. Then you can sign up using the affiliate link down below in the description. And you can go ahead and when you get that 10-day free trial, you can already be running the software and getting those good leads. And if you have any problem at all, you can text the number, text Working Class Hustler to the number on your screen, and we'll get you taken care of. I do it all the time. So take that lightning course, get signed up. Okay, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. If you got value out of this video, the links to all the products for the Jump On It for your leads today are down in the description. If you found value, then please give this channel a thumbs up. It helps in the algorithm so that we can continue all that we do for your benefit to help you. All right, guys, I'll see you in that lightning course.